Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a table of content to your website on Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter one of your Google Sites website. First, I will select the page where I want to add my table of content. Now, to add your table of content, simply click on Insert from this corner. Then click on Table of Contents. As you can see, my table is added automatically here. Now click on Publish to publish these changes. Hit Publish again, and let's view my website live. This is my family photo page and this is my table of content. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google Sites, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Just make sure that within the same page you should have a title, heading and subheading like these dates to be used by your table of contents. Let's click on 2022, for example. As you see, I've automatically jumped to the section titled 2022. And this is how to add a table of content in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.